Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I want to talk about a FET AI USDT trading pair with my customer set updates for this token. Let's dive in. All right, guys. The global targets, I still believe the FET AI can hit $4.14, and maybe the $5 will be like a main target for this token. Hard to say, but now I don't see any hype around the AI sector. Yes, sounds rude maybe for the AI enthusiasts, but unfortunately, guys, this is a fact. So take a look the performance by sectors. So now Oracle, Ethereum, staking services, exchanges, tokens perform because the BNB hit the new all-time high, BitGet token hits high targets, smart contract platforms, DeFi, Gen 1 smart contracts, DAXs, gaming, social. I don't know how it even possible. So the gaming perform, but looks weird. And here's the AI. It's a 1 month time frame. If we check the yearly time period, NFT applications. So here's the AI. I guess the AI lost their momentum by capitalizations, minus 7%. Yearly 56%. Unfortunately, guys. But anyway, I believe, just like speculation, these tokens will perform once again. Because who cares about sectors, if this was just a basic narrative. And yes, the FET AI already performed at 6,500% gains. I already explained to you, maybe you and me just chose the wrong tokens in the wrong time. That's why if our tokens in portfolio not perform it, maybe yes, maybe we should track and track more news, media, influencer, and track the narratives, next sector. So we chose the wrong sector, like example with the GameFi sector. GameFi sector is slowly dying. Nobody use it. Nobody even speculate with that tokens. It's kind of weird. That's why from now, guys, it can be like 5x. I guess 5x is possible, even with the here like 5x 63, and at the top, imagine if we're gonna hit the 4.23 by FEP, it's gonna be almost 8,000% gains from the bottom. Amazing one. Even the last cycle, guys, the FET AI just performed like almost 3,000. Wow. That's why now it's only up to you to buy or not. But yes, definitely we underrated. How low the FET AI can drop? I guess in maybe September, October. I don't know. It's hard to say by timing. We can go and sweep this low, 54 cents and the 0.23 by FEP. The round number like 50 cents. And it's kind of weird because it's exactly round number, 50 cents, 0.23 by FEP. We can test it. I hope not, and I hope we hold the line at fundamental value now on a weekly time frame and go higher straight to the take profit line. It's $1.61. So daily time frame, this is it. What we can test again, and most likely we will test it. It's 46 cents and 6. It's on the daily. And buy line fundamental buy line on 12 time frame 45 and 3. I think most likely we're gonna drop to the buy line on a daily time frame. That's why I wish to see this drop, and I don't think so. We're gonna drop to zero level. No, I think in the next cycle, a monthly time frame, there is no data for the take profit indicator, and yes, would be good to see the last hype and 3 rise pattern, like 1, 2, and 3, and crash it down to the bear market. That's why, yes, guys, I think this is not an end for AI. I don't think so. This was a end of cycle. The most negative, guys, scenario, if we just rebound and just sweep this high, reject the 261 and going down. So this is going to be, yes, negative one. Negative scenario for the FET AI. It could be the top of the top. But honestly, I believe in some another leg up. Some maybe hype we'll see, some media posts, because who control the media? Control the market. Even without the real money of institutional, you can just post the paid articles, paid influencer, and any sector can perform just because of hype around by marketing campaign in media, and the retailers can buy it. The same story, and remember, I hope the fake posts on Cointelegraph, when some intern posts something about, I guess, EDF or so, and it's pump and dump the price on the BTC. That's why, guys, locally, of course, we underrated around the fundamental value. Usually we bounce it from the fundamental volume. So here we dump it under, bounce, test it, hold the line, bounce, test it, bounce. Now if hold, the order would be open to $1.61. If not, guys, here, this liquidity pool, two attractive zones, or hold and this is a zone where you to fix a profit. If not, 50 cents, 45. Pretty simple. Let's double check with ADZ direction market mood. Weekly. Definitely this is underrated zone. Last time, guys, when we trade on the FET AI, this belief area, it was December 22, this one, at 8.6, and we pump it, you remember, to this one, to $3. Now, the same zone. Also, here is a disbelief, and we bounced it in August from 70 to $2.15. Now the same way. So I wish to see this move and rebound to higher targets. Also, I wish to see that the warranty, crazy the warranty on ADZ. This is accumulation now, and I wish to see the bigger the warranty on the weekly time frame. Here, this one. Hit the top, for example, and hit the high on 4.23, $4.15, and capitulation to the bear market. So yes, we still got a potential. This is not a distribution zone on the weekly. Even on the monthly, this is not a distribution zone. So here, we can adjust it like even since February 21. Let's mark it like a normal one line. Here, top, and I wish to see another high and new all-time high on FET AI and dump it to bear market. So even in the monthly time frame, guys, this is a disbelief. Nobody care about FET AI, so it's a good one. Yes, it's kind of weird, how the sentiment now even worse than it was here in December 2022. It was a distribution, right? Like every year. And now it's a disbelief. Maybe because the narrative about the AI, like something special, something new sector, just gone. But also the problem, just personal thoughts about the AI sector. I think in the next few years, if we will see the tokenization round, I think that all of these projects like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, can run their own token. You just buy the token to use like a premium features of that AI. Maybe like idea. In 2023, I shared the idea. So the big company is gonna launch their own tokens. They don't need that like layer 1, layer 2 stuff, chains. They can build their own one. And yes, it's happening. So in 2025, the Google made an announcement about they will launch the coin on layer 1, I guess, or layer 0. So yes, it's so easy. The same story can be with the AI sector. Now, no money outflow. So here, this compared the cycles. Here was a money outflow. Now nothing. So I believe, guys, we will see another leg up. So hard to say how high. But here, I wish to see another money inflow here. 59 and 42 with the money inflow. Now we traded 61 without money inflow. At 50 or 46 would be good to see that money in. Yes. So just in case, daily time frame. Also, we at the bottom. Of course, it's not a signal or some recommendation to buy now because to 46 cents, it can be the potential drop like almost 25% down. So just be careful, because for me personally, this pool 54 cents so attractive to sweep, just in case. And no money inflow yet. And the last indicator, guys, it's a trade on. No positive news, guys, on the daily. No signal to buy, sell. Also, if we use just basic regular fib from the last buy to the top. here around 40, 48, 43, yes, can be the zone for accumulation. Yes, so this one. Yes, so yes, mark this zone, guys, like potential entry by end of September. So just in case, you can also add alert to take profit or signal to buy another one, trade on. I wish to see the take profit on 12 time frame. Weekly time frame, there is no signal to buy also. And here, sell, buy back, 3 signals to buy back, and I wish to see another one. So guys, 50 cents, 46, I think we will see. No, if not, yes, of course, we go straight forward to around 1.61 by FEP and the new all-time high. And yes, I believe in new all-time high. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about FET AI. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video is right, Miriam. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.